Today, it's Independence Day, 4th of July. So I decided I'm going to walk one of these fire roads. It's been a long time since I've been on one of the fire roads. A little change of scenery. You can see it's a pretty big cut they made when they created this fire road. There's like a little drop of about like 10 feet on both sides. I'm not a big fan of fireworks and things like that. I understand the importance of Independence Day and the significance of it from a historical perspective, but I was never really a fireworks guy. The pets get all stressed out, and I worry about forest fires with fireworks getting into the woods and stuff like that too. So but yeah, the historical significance I'm all for, but I'm not really into the pomp and circumstance and the loud noise of fireworks and things like that. But I'm mellow Mike, I like things quiet and mellow. So this is my big part of Independence Day, is walking in the woods. It's nice and quiet and mellow, just the way I like it. This always infuriates me. I call these people North American knuckleheads that decide, let's just come out in the beautiful woods and just throw trash in it. It really gets me ticked off. Just ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. A lot of the wildlife gets terrified with all the booms and everything going on Independence Day too. And they probably be hunkering down in fear in the woods tonight. But right now, it's nice and mellow and quiet. That's my kind of thing, so it's all right. I haven't been on this road in a long time. Forgotten about these cuts in here that are just, pretty steep. Alrighty. I'll check back in if something interesting comes across my way. It looks like these must be private property fences over here on both sides. So some people have this little property inside the woods themselves. Alrighty, I'm going to sign out for right now, and I'll check back in if I see anything interesting. It'd be nice to see some wildlife today. Big old southern pine. The Florida Trail actually intersects this forest road, and this is definitely not part of the trail I've been on. I didn't even really know much about it. I'm going to have to investigate it. I don't have time to walk it, but I'm just going to walk down a little bit, see what it looks like. It's nice to get in the shade too. Well, this is a pleasant surprise, so I'll definitely have to come out here, look at the maps, trail maps, and see if I can kind of figure out where exactly this goes to in the forest here. I thought I had hiked most of the trails in here, but this is interesting. Alrighty, I'll check back in a bit.